Here we are in the new episode of Thoughtful Leaders, named as Thoughts on Education by collegedunia.com. And today I have with me some woman power who will be motivating us for next 10 to 15 minutes. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Mrityunjay.
Yes, ma'am. So let me start with your brief introduction, ma'am. Today I have with me Dr. Seema Agarwal, and she is the principal of Kanodia PG Mahila Mahavidyalaya Jaipur, an author and co-author of textbook of income tax, management accounting, auditing, and advanced accounting. You have contributed once as an author and 6 times as a co-author. Currently teaching in the same college as head and associate professor department of ABST since 1992. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Mrityunjay. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. So I think I should start with the questions, ma'am.
Yes, we can start.
Yes, ma'am. And I think the 10 to 15 minutes will be highly motivating for all of our audience, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My first question to you is, being the principal of Kanodia Mahavidyalaya, what is your philosophy of leadership, ma'am?
My philosophy of leadership is that since teaching was my passion, and by grace of God, I am in a position to guide many young minds. And I feel this as an opportunity because it is very difficult to interact with young people. But being principal of such a big college, I got opportunity to interact with many young persons, many young minds, and what I feel that it is a learning for me too. Every year I interact with many students, so this is a great learning for me. And leadership is that I can guide them with my team. I have competent faculty members in our college, so we plan various activities, we plan various workshops, etc., so that we can guide them. Our role is to make them capable to do whatever they want to do. That's it.
So, ma'am, being the principal, you always want to be a child for the students. You always want to learn from them as well as teach them.
Yes, see, because generation has been changed. If you start bossing on them, they will never come to you. Or by force, they will come to you, but they will not follow you. So if you want the young generation to be motivated by your experience, you have to come to at their age. You have to learn or earn the confidence of youngsters. So I always want to be friend with my college students so they can understand, yes, teachers are at our bench and they are thinking.
They are best friends.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Now, my next question is that what all we have in the form of extracurricular activities in a college for girls, ma'am?
See, ours is a 55 years old institute, and this was the first institute of girls education, imparting girls education and for women empowerment in the state of Rajasthan. And vision of the college is to go for holistic development of student. So looking into mind the vision of the college, we believe in holistic development. We plan and organize cultural, academic, organizing activities so that there are plenty of opportunities. We know that every human being is having different kind of potential. So we are also having students of variety. So they can find an opportunity and they can judge, yes, this kind of ability they have. And they nurture like this, and we help them in identifying their potential. So our role is to make them identify their potential. See, because someday someone find that she or he is very good in dramatics, but for that particular person first need a kind of platform where it can be confirmed by self, yes, I am good in this. So we are trying to provide this kind of variety of platform to our students. We provide them anchoring facility. We organize a workshop for creative writing, theater, drama, dance, music, entrepreneurship, leadership, etc., etc. You know, now the n number of activities in which one can make her or his career. So we are trying to introduce new kind of activities for our students.
So means they can increase their talent also, and side by side they can study also. They can
Yes,
focus on
see,
study
like
also.
this, every year in our college, we conduct one Hindi Natya Natika and one English drama. So what we do, we take help of professional. But this year our MA English student said, no ma'am, we will direct the play. So I am proudly say that this year, when in 2019, our English play was wholly in-house product, direction, lighting, stage decoration, everything is done by the students. So this is a matter of proud for us, and a career opportunity for all the students who did all these things and get confidence by that.
I asked this extracurricular activities first because the one who will be seeing this video to come in your college, they will find it very comfortable that yeah, I can do something in that college right, apart from studying.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, talking about the second question that will be coming in the students' mind, that about the placements or how they can excel in their life.
See, I've told you that we are giving importance to both academic and extra co-curricular activities. So we made different cells for the enrollment of students. So one of them is career and placement cell. That career and placement cell provides career opportunities to all the passing out students, mostly to the third year student and PG final year students. And in this cell, throughout the year, we do some this kind of activities, like we organize a workshop, variety of workshop. In some, we guide them how to prepare their CV, how to face interviews, how to write profile, and how to conduct the group discussion, how to participate in GD. So this career and placement cell provides this kind of abilities. First we provide them, we make them confident about all these things. Then the cell contact with the placement companies, and I can say that in a year 10 to 15 companies come to our college and they select the students, because we are having normal BA BCom courses. Apart from that, we are having many professional courses also, like we have BSc Home Science, we have BSc Biotechnology, BCA, BBA, MJ, So all these are much demanding. I can say student of these professional courses are much demanding by the placement agencies.
Okay. And
so we
how,
do a lot.
How do you see this thing, that if the students are coming into your college, and if once I just take apart the placements, that supposedly the placements some person has not placed from the college, but seeing on the past years, the students have had so much learning from the college that they have successfully excelled in their future.
Yes, see, because we have a strong alumni of our college, so many of the students are still actively associated. So yes, they say that yes, I got opportunity through the college placement, and we know that for experience point of view, students initially carry on with the placement job, then future on they will shift to the other jobs, etc. But they make importance of this initial platform is given by the college placement.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one major question that will be going into the student's mind will be, ma'am, how mentally the college is prepared, means for the precautions to be taken if at all college starts, and how you are thinking that online education versus offline education, which will be prioritized in the coming years.
See, this is a very good question in this situation.
Yes.
And I can proudly say ours is the first college to start online teaching for second year and third year. See, it has been decided by the government that all students of first year and second year will be promoted without taking examination. So they have been promoted. Student who was in first year promoted to second year, and student who was in second year has been promoted to third year. Same like PG second semester student has been promoted to third semester. So when this decision is accepted by University of Rajasthan, then it was implied on us also. And as soon as this process started, within 10-15 days, we decided to start our online classes for those second year and third year students. And it was a big challenge because before that, we have to create confidence in our faculty कि they are much confident to take online classes. So for that, we conducted faculty development program for our faculties, hands-on workshop, and all this we did in lockdown. Everything was done online. So when they learn that they are able to learn online, it automatically confident them, yes, whatever they will teach, students will also able to learn online. So all this preliminary work we did with our faculties, though we were having good infrastructure, but still some things were required that we organized in our college. And then from 20th July 2020, we started online classes for our all part 2 students, part 3 students, and PG third semester start. And from yesterday onwards, 7th September 2020, we started our first year classes also. Though admissions are still going on, but what we feel कि many students took admission, and all those 12 pass out students, they are eager to start their studies because since last 6 months they have not studied. So looking to their enthusiastic approach, because they frequently ask when our college classes will start. So looking to their enthusiasm, we started our part 1 classes from 7th September onwards. And what we will do, rest of the students who will take admission in the coming days, we will start separate groups for them. So nothing can be missed by the latecomers also.
So ma'am, this can be known from your talks, ma'am, that so how much dedicated the faculty of the colleges towards academics, towards the students. Means in the whole pandemic, they were just involved into just evolving themselves so that they can be better prepared for the online education.
Yes. See, few were techno-savvy, but few faculties were not techno-savvy because it was not mandatory. It was required that one should go for online teaching also. But now it has become mandatory. So the teachers who were less techno-savvy, I feel very proud that now they are confidently taking their live online classes. We have 3 mode of online classes. Either teacher take live class, or she put the recorded video lecture, or some text PDF or PPT has been sent to the Google Classroom. We are taking all these classes through Google Classroom. We have created Google Classroom for each class, each subject.
Okay.
And accordingly, faculty interact with students. They put assignment, they put quizzes. And most important thing is that faculty is doing their 100% and students are also taking keen interest because their response is very motivating to us. And one more thing we did to cross-check how these efforts are received by the students. We put a online classes feedback form on our website.
Okay.
And in that we include many questions, and the interesting question which I want to share with you,
yes,
there was a question we put, are you interested in online classes or offline classes? So the response was very interesting. 51% students are interested in offline classes, while 49% students are interested for online classes.
This is a bit different.
And this was surprising. I
Yeah,
thought
surprising.
only 10-20% students will prefer for online teaching. But
Yeah.
since 49% students are preferring, it means I can say that my faculty is doing great job.
Great job.
That's why
ma'am.
students preferred online classes also.
Ma'am,
See,
let me tell you one thing.
It is difficult for students also.
Yes,
They are
yes, yes.
habitual to one-to-one interaction, and
Yeah,
one day we
yeah.
are saying ki now no, you have to learn like this only. So it is difficult for students also.
So, ma'am, one thing I can say, ma'am, if I would have been a student, I got dedicated teachers, I got a dedicated and a more means a very motivating principal. I got the extracurricular activities. I can enhance myself in academics. So, मेरे को सब कुछ मिल गया है, I thought. So, the students who will be watching this video, this is for you. You can go into Kanodia PG Mahavidyalaya College. Very good for girls. You can enhance yourself and you can excel yourself in your future. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us. It was a very thoughtful interaction. Thank you so much, ma'am.